doing some sort of overseas mission work. I didn't really know what that looked like, and I had heard through my sister and through friends about YWAM and about doing a DTS. So I looked into it and I got accepted, and the rest is history.
因為神叫我做嘅咯，神係帶領我去令到我讀呢個門徒訓練學校。最大嘅改變係由世界嘅門徒變成耶穌嘅門徒。真係以前係好鍾意世界嘅事，好離唔開好多係誘惑，好多嘅好似係世界嘅着數，但係其實唔係，同神有關係先係有真正嘅好處。咁佢就將我180度改變，令到我成為耶穌嘅門徒。
Growing in relationship with God, discovering who God was. I think the main thing for me was experiencing God on a regular, consistent basis.
The biggest thing, I think, was hearing God's voice. Before doing a DTS, I never really thought that God could talk to me.
Explain the gospel with them using different things at our table because of the language barrier. So we have like meat sticks or like shish kebabs that we used as like the cross, like plates to describe like heaven and hell, Coke as our sin, and then half-eaten foods as other things. And so it's just really cool just to see how God like directed us in how to reach out to them.
咁我記得當時有班小朋友喺度講緊，咁而當你玩咗一陣之後，我哋就開始同小朋友哋傳福音，就同小朋友話：小朋友，不如我哋講故事俾你聽啊！然之後我哋就喺度講下上帝點樣創造呢個世界，上帝點樣創造每一個人。對一個小朋友咧，佢好留心咁聽。咁去到最後，我哋就問佢：小朋友，你想唔想相信咧我哋所講嗰上帝？嗰個小朋友佢就好誠懇咁望住我哋話：佢好想相信呢個上帝。眯埋隻眼去到祈禱。然之後咧，呢個小朋友同我哋講話咧，上帝同佢講咗一樣嘢。佢話上帝同佢講話：你唔會再孤獨，因為咧我成日都會喺你身邊陪伴住你。
If you want a radical change in the way that you view God, in the way that you view people, in your relationships, in the way that you see yourself even, I think DTS is definitely worth it.
只要你願意行出嚟嘅話，上帝就好似喺海入邊去到捉住彼得咁。彼得嗰個信心，我覺得我哋每個人都需要有，就係願唔願意去行到去水上面，去到將自己嘅眼睛定睛喺上帝面前，去到將自己嘅困難去到交喺上帝度。